Welcome back to our channel Respect Education.
Okay friends, now let's see question number 7. In a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 marks for questions which are not at all attempted. Now there are 3 bits in this question. Now let us see the first bit. Mohan gets 4 correct answers and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? In the question it is given total number of questions in a test are 10 questions and marks for every correct answer 5 marks. Marks for every correct answer 5 marks. So he is gaining the marks. So plus 5. Marks for every incorrect answer is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 marks are deducted. And marks for not attempted is 0. Clearly it is given 0. First let us calculate the score of Mohan. Now number of correct answer he attempts is 4 and number of incorrect answers is equal to 6. But finally by adding both of them, that is 4 plus 6, he attempts all the 10 questions. So he attempted all 10 questions. Nothing is left. Now score is equal to 4 correct. See here, 4 correct answers given for every correct answer plus 5. So 4 correct. That means 4 into plus 5 for every correct answer. So 4 into plus 5 plus 6 incorrect. So 6 into each incorrect answer minus 2 marks are deducted. So 4 into plus 5 plus 6 into minus 2. Therefore here there is an invisible plus before 4. So plus into plus, plus into plus is plus and plus into minus is minus. 6 2s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. So plus 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. Therefore Mohan's score is 8 marks. Okay friends, now let's see second bit. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? Here you can see given total number of questions 10 questions, marks for every correct answer 5 marks, nothing but plus 5, and marks for every incorrect answer minus 2 marks are deducted. As deduction is represented by a negative integer, we take minus 2 and marks for not attempted is equal to 0. Now let us calculate Reshma's score. Number of correct answers 5 correct answers and number of incorrect answers 5 incorrect answers. So she attempts 5 correct and 5 incorrect. Total number of answers 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So clearly she attempts all 10 questions. So nothing is not attempted. Therefore score is equal to 5 correct plus 5 incorrect. 5 into correct, each correct answer we get 5 marks. See, therefore 5 into plus 5 plus 5 incorrect, for every incorrect answer minus 2. So 5 into minus 2. 5 into plus 5 plus 5 into minus 2. Now here there is an invisible plus before 5 here. So plus into plus is plus 5 5s are 25, so plus 25. And here plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10. Therefore plus 25 minus 10, nothing but 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. Therefore Reshma's score is 15 marks. Okay friends, now let us see third bit. Hina gets 2 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? See here friends, given total number of questions 10 questions and marks for every correct answer 5 marks, and marks for every incorrect answer -2, and marks for not attempted 0. See clearly here, number of correct answers 2 correct answers, number of incorrect answers 5 incorrect answers. Total number of answers 2 plus 5 is 7, but total number of questions is 10, so she did not attempt 3 questions. Number of questions not at all attempted is equal to 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Therefore score is equal to 2 correct answers plus 5 incorrect answers plus, see here, plus 3 not at all attempted. See here, 3 questions are not attempted. She attempted 7 questions. There are total 10 questions. Therefore 10 minus 7 is equal to 3 not attempted is equal to 2 into each correct answer plus 5 into each correct answer -2, incorrect answer -2 plus 3 not at all attempted. Clearly it is written as 0, so 0. So 2 into 5 plus 2 into plus 5 is nothing but plus into plus, 2 5s are 10, and here plus into minus is minus, 5 2s are 10. So plus 10 minus 10 plus 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0. So plus 10 minus 10 plus 3 into 0 0 is equal to plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled, plus 0 is nothing but 0. Therefore Hina's score is 0 marks, even though she attempts 2 correct answer, 5 incorrect answer. Here 2 into plus 5 into -2, that is plus 10 minus 10 and plus 0, 3 into 0 is 0. So plus 10 minus 10 get cancelled and 0. Therefore in this way she gets 0 marks. Is it clear friends? Okay friends, now let us observe the final answers once again. Mohan's score is 8 marks. Reshma's score is 15 marks. And Hina's score is 0 marks. That means she did not get any marks. Is it clear friends?
If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.